beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's ADUNNI'S of ADUNNI'S Space again, and in today's video I will show you guys my updated wash day routine from start to end. Okay, I haven't washed my hair I haven't had a proper wash day in like 4 to 5 weeks. So today is the day we are finally going to be washing my hair. I think it's been 8 to 9 months since I had my big chop, and my hair is thriving so well with this particular product that I'll be sharing with you guys. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. My name is ADUNNI'S and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials to help you save money and look good. Today's video is not sponsored, so everything I'll be sharing in today's video is totally my idea, my feeling, my emotion. Just everything that you will hear in this video is totally from me, my experience. So a few of the products that I will be using today are products that I have used before and I realized that my hair likes, and some or one or two I haven't used on my wash day before that I will be trying today, but I have seen good reviews about them. Now I'm going to show you guys the products briefly, and you're going to see the process of how I will be infusing and using them in my wash day routine. I don't want this video to be too long so you guys don't get bored. So I will share with you guys all of the products, their prices, and everything I'm using in today's wash day routine is less than 10,000 naira, and that's about how much in dollars? Maybe $9. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen. I'm not sure because the exchange rate is not stable. So the first product I'll be sharing with you guys is a staple on this channel, and it is the leave-in straightener. The brand I am using today, everything I am using today is from this Nigerian brand. This one. Everything I am using, everything. So I'm just going to show you guys everything individually before we go into the main process of washing my hair. So the first product is the first product is the Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Straightener. It says it strengthens, restores, and repair. I've been using this even while my hair was relaxed, and I absolutely love it. My hair likes it. It makes my hair feel very soft, and it has a very nice scent, guys, and the color is also very nice. It's pink. So the next one is also another product that I have actually used, and I think this retails for about 850 naira thereabout, depending on the store you're buying it from. The next one is the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner Anti-Breakage. I have used this particular product like very well since I had my big chop, and it is actually very effective. It makes my hair feel so soft, guys. It's very nice, and this also retails. It smells so good. Smells so good, so good. And it's white. It has like a very creamy texture. You guys are going to see when I'm using it. And it also retails for about 850 naira. So the next one is anti-dandruff spray. Actually, my hair is not dandruff prone, but my sister has a dandruff prone scalp, so I normally use this for when I braid her hair or when I make her hair. If you've seen any tutorial of where I made my sister's hair, you definitely have seen me using this. But also, because it's been a while since I washed my hair, I will be using this today because, of course, this hair is very dirty. My hair is very dirty. It's the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff Spray. It's a dandruff-free therapy. Actually, Mega Growth has like a full range of anti-dandruff products. So if you have a dandruff-prone scalp, they have a full range from the shampoo, I think the conditioner, and this. And you know, it's infused with coconut, menthol, and tea tree oil, and it has this tingling feeling when you apply it to your scalp, but it's actually very effective because my sister's hair has and dandruff has reduced like significantly, so it's actually very good. I'm using this also today for my hair. The next product is the Mega Growth Oil. Mega Growth Oil. So it's also anti-breakage, and this is what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to mention, I honestly cannot remember the price of this, but I'll put it on the screen because I actually bought this earlier this year or mid this year, so I can't remember the price. Now back to the Mega Growth Oil, and it says no sulfur, no mineral oil, no paraben, no petroleum, no formaldehyde, no DEA. So that is what it says, and it's infused with olive oil, shea butter, coconut oil, proteins. It has argan oil, it has ginseng growth oil, coconut oil, soya bean oil, actually like good oil, vegetable protein. And this retails for, I think I bought it at the store where I bought it for 1,007 or 1,008. We still haven't spent up to 5k. So now to the big elephant in the room. So I have been using Mega Growth conditioner and shampoo, but this is the first time I am buying their wash day combo. That's what it says, right? Right, you guys say wash day combo. You guys see it here, right? So this is the first time I'm buying their wash day combo, and I think both the two, like this combo, retails for less than 4,000 naira, which I think it is a steal. So in the pack, it has the stimulating shampoo. It has a stimulating shampoo. If you're not buying the combo, it's okay. You can actually buy them individually. I have used the stimulating shampoo several times. It's like my staple. It's my go-to conditioner. I absolutely love it. It is very good. It is very nice. My hair likes it. And like I have all said in one of my previous videos, I like to get products that are readily available. I don't like to start hustling for products. It stresses me out. I want to buy a product, I can walk into a reliable store and get it. So Mega Growth conditioner and shampoo, but this is the first time I am buying their wash day combo. That's what it says, right? Right, you guys say wash day combo. You guys see it here, right? So this is the first time I'm buying their wash day combo, and I think both the two, like this combo, retails for less than 4,000 naira, which I think it is a steal. So in the pack, it has the stimulating shampoo. It has a stimulating shampoo. If you're not buying the combo, it's okay. You can actually buy them individually. I have used the stimulating shampoo several times. It's like my staple. It's my go-to conditioner. I absolutely love it. It is very good. It is very nice. My hair likes it, and like I have all said in one of my previous video, I like to get products that are readily available. I don't like to start hustling for products. It stresses me out. Next products, or the last product I'll be sharing with you guys, is the Mega Growth Detangling Conditioner. If you've seen my wash day routine when my hair was still very like this, was the first time that I used this product. It defined my coil so well, guys. Like my hair was so buttery. I think I have a short. I'll like put the short link in the description box. My hair was so buttery. Like my hair was so soft. My hair was like a baby's hair. Like the first time I used this product, I was sold. I won't even lie. I was sold. It's also very readily available. It's anti-breakage, it strengthens, restore, and repair. So guys, I finally took out the cornrow I had under my cap, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is very dirty. I hadn't washed my hair since the last protective hairstyle, like I told you guys earlier. So I'm just spraying like water on it just to make the detangling process a bit easy for me, and I'm just using my fingers to detangle it. I still do my hair like one. I don't do it in section. So I went in with the Mega Growth oil to just actually still make the detangling very easy for me. I wash my hair like as it is. I don't wash it in section. Maybe when it grows longer, I'll start washing in section. So this was just me basically trying to soften my hair and just makes the entire process easy before going in with a wide tooth comb to comb it out. And I was just trying to show you guys the scalp. I actually don't have flakes on my scalp, but I can tell, like, I don't need anybody to tell me. I know my hair is actually very, very dirty. So with the help of the water and the growth oil from Mega Growth, it was easy for me to comb it out. And another reason why I want to try this Mega growth oil is because of my edges. So the first thing I am doing is basically wetting my hair. Like, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, my hair has high porosity, so I really don't have to use too much of liquid or too much of products before it gets saturated. Now I'm going in with a stimulating shampoo, and I am just using that amount of products, as you can see, and I went in to scrub my scalp with the tip of my finger, not my finger, the tip, like the padded parts, the skin parts. So you want to make sure that you don't scrub with your fingers. If you scrub with, you don't scrub with your nails. If you scrub with your nails, you might be prone to injuring yourself if you scrub with your nails. So I scrub with my fingers, the skin parts, and in the process I was still also passing my finger along the strands of my hair. And I'm using a lukewarm water to wash because I don't do well when it comes to cold things. Myself and cold weather, cold water, cold anything, we don't do well. So I'm using like a mixture of hot and cold water, and it's actually lukewarm or warm, if you whatever. So after the first wash with the shampoo, I am going in the second time because I am telling you people, this hair is very, very dirty. So I'm going in the second time, and if you notice, the second time, probably because the amount of dirt in my hair has reduced, the second time it formed more, like there are more foam with lesser products. So I rinsed that out, and the next thing I am going in with is the detangling conditioner. Guys, this conditioner smells really good. It smells so nice. Like, I am obsessed with the smell. It smells really nice. So I actually went in with a lot of products because I want my hair to condition. I want my hair to be very soft. I want, like, she hasn't had a lot of care in a long time, so I want my hair to experience all of that care during this wash day. And after applying the product, I let it sit in for 10 minutes just so that my hair can absorb all of the nutrients and moisture that the conditioner has to offer. And I was using my hand to make sure that the product circulates from scalp to my hair strands, like that every hair strand gets something. Okay, so that was basically what I was doing. I also went ahead to take a wide tooth comb to comb my hair, and I'll show you guys the amount of hair that was lost, or that was shed, or that shall break during this process. Okay, so like I said earlier, I left the deep condition the detangling conditioner to sit on my hair for about 10 minutes, and you guys can see, look at that. Can you guys see? Look at the curls. So I let it sit for 10 minutes, and I went ahead to rinse it out. Look, it's so, like, it was so soft. My hair was so soft 10 minutes later. Like, and even 2 days after my wash day, my hair still feels very, very soft. So after rinsing out the deep conditioner, I made sure to thoroughly rinse it out. And the next product that I went in with after this one was the deep conditioner. So after the detangling conditioner, I went in with the deep conditioner. I honestly didn't have to use so much because like the detangling conditioner had done a lot, but definitely I know that the deep conditioner will do more. So the instruction on the container actually says that the deep conditioner should be left for 15 minutes. But as a disobedient child that I am, I left mine for 30 minutes. I also made sure to apply enough product to saturate all my hair from the strand to the scalp, from the scalp to the strand, and I also make sure to like give my hair a little bit of massage after applying it. And like for the best result when you're deep conditioning your hair, you probably want to leave it for a long period of time under it, and I didn't want to use it, so you guys are going to see how I wrapped my hair for it to deep condition or for it to sit in. So I used like a plastic wrap to wrap it around and went in with a scarf on it. You guys are going to see it in a minute. Can you guys see that bounce? Can you see that bounce? My hair looks healthy, right? And it's actually healthy. Okay. I don't want to have a trim until maybe 1 year. So I went in with the first plastic wrap, nylon or whatever you want to call it, and the second one, okru. Then I went in with a scarf and I left it for 30 minutes. I used a timer to set the time. I left it for 30 minutes, and guys, the way my hair felt after this, my hair was so soft. Like my finger was passing through easily without stress. My hair was very, very soft. I really enjoyed the process of this wash day routine. So I literally just combed it out again and I went ahead to rinse out the product. Can you see? Can you see? So now for after washing my hair, see the way my hair shrunk, guys. So for after washing, I just allowed my hair to like dry a bit for I think about 15 to 20 minutes, and now I am applying my leave-in conditioner generously, guys. Generously. For me, if I'm going to apply something to my hair, I'll apply it well. Everybody has to get a share, and I'm giving my hair like some good massage. So after that, I went in with the growth oil to seal in the moisture, and I love it. Except the fact that the opening of the growth oil is too wide for me. It is too wide. I honestly, that was the only thing I don't like about that particular product. The opening was too wide for me. So I just went ahead to put it in like big cornrow and seal and massage the oil into my scalp and the tip of my hair again. Let me know if you have ever used this product or any of this product. Let me know if you do anything separate on your wash day routine. And thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. Drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.